Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing a classic bag, one of my favorite bag that I have not reviewed on my channel, and there is discount for you if you're purchasing right away. So let's get started. One bag I have not really reviewed is Gucci, and that is what I'm bringing to you today. And so let's unbox this. This is it, everyone. Oh my goodness, look at this bag. This is one classic bag. I'm gonna be showing you the detailing of this designer bag. Honestly, the color, the design, and this cute pendant here, all the design makes this bag absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and attach the strap. It comes with an extra strap right there. You can decide to wear it as a wrist bag or a shoulder bag. So it comes with an extra strap right here. Attach the strap to this. Let's see. And then also attach it here. See? So this is this bag right here. Super cute. Like this. Or like this. I've dropped the link of this bag on the video description, so go ahead and snag that link and navigate to the website. Bags are not the only things they sell on the website. They also sell designer shoes, designer clothes, designer accessories. So go ahead and grab that link and see for yourself. Seeing is believing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If you found today's video helpful in searching for quality bags and where to buy these bags, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.